What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Taco Garage, and today I have my Lexus GX 470 here, and I want to show you something I did to it. It's this little guy. This is the S1 Swivel Mount for the ditch lights or for any other kind of light, actually. So what it allows you to do is just grab your light and rotate it 360 degrees to any direction you want. Every 45 degrees is going to lock in place, and it's a very satisfying feeling. As soon as you hit that spot, it just locks in place. And if you try to leave it halfway, it kind of stays, but the second you touch it a little, it just locks in place. And sure, you can just yank it and move it around, but say you're camping, you just want light over there, rotate it, and now you have light to the side. Say you want to blind your driver, you can do that as well, or you can just rotate it all the way back. It's fully machined, made out of aluminum, and you can see the machining action right there. So it's also made in-house. So I may be a little biased, granted, but I really like this product. It just makes it easier to rotate instead of yanking or having to undo the bolts. So what I'm gonna do today is just give you a quick tour and show you how to install it on a ditch light bracket. So this is what you get when you order the S1 Swivel Mount. They come in pairs, and you have a top bolt and a bottom bolt, and the orientation does matter in this one, so you wanna make sure that the logo is upright. And you're gonna wanna take your bottom bolt and put it on the bracket first. You would probably be doing this while on the car, but I just have a loose bracket here. So I'm gonna show you here, and then we'll go to the car. But basically, put the bracket on. You wanna make sure that this lock washer is flat. But before you do that, you wanna make sure that you have this with respect to the bracket and with the car. You wanna have it in whatever the position is, your preferred position. So it does matter the orientation of this thing, because that's where your 45 degrees locking points are gonna start counting. So this is gonna be your default position. Once you got that done, you go to the top bolt, put your bolt through. As you tighten this one, you can see that it starts moving as well. So just make sure that the lock washer, same deal as before, make sure that the lock washer is flat before you finish, and you're gonna have to hold it a little bit. There you go. It might take you a couple tries to actually make sure that your 0 point is exactly where you want it to be, but once you figure that out, you'll have your light rotating every 45 degrees. It's gonna lock. Pretty cool system, so let's go do it on the truck so you can see exactly what that's like. So the light's already loose here, but I have the bolt that comes with the S1 already through the bracket. I'm just gonna put that to the side, and we're gonna deal with this first. So again, logo needs to be upright, orientation does matter, so this is gonna be the bottom. Put this bolt through. There we go. This is a 13 mil bolt on both sides. I want the logo to be pretty much facing straight forward. So I'm gonna make sure that that stays there. You're gonna have to hold it a little. And like I said, this one, as I'm tightening it up, it spins. Oh, actually it's not spinning anymore. So I can tighten it well. Cool, that was easy. Hopefully that's the case for you as well. But sometimes it does spin with it a little bit. Just be careful as you're tightening it up, because this will also want to just spin. So this is why you have to be careful as you're tightening it up. This is my 0 position, my default position. My next option to the left is kind of awkward, pointing in, and then my next one to the right is too far out. So I want something in the middle. As I was tightening this up, it moved a little bit on me, so I didn't get the right position. So I have to undo this. Maybe make it point a little in so that when I, oh, the other way. Make it point a little out so that when I tighten it up, it actually stays where I need it to stay. And there we go, that's pretty good. It's about the same on the other side. And that's pretty much it. It's ready to go. Now you have 360 degrees of light. Well, kinda, because that's not really useful for anybody, but you can turn it around, have a camping light, have a bit of a ditch light on the side action, or you just have it facing forward, whatever you want to do. But now you have that versatility for the light to point anywhere you want. It's also not exclusive for ditch light brackets. You can use them on the roof rack. We've had people put it on bed racks, and you have a chase light that doubles as a camping light that just moves to the side a little bit if you wanted to, or moves forward to light up inside the bed. Or who knows, maybe you just need a little bit of light inside your cab sometimes, and you just kind of do that if that's your thing. So anyways, there's a bunch of different use cases for this, and it's a very simple, not expensive way of just having 360 degrees of light without having to mount side lights, mount, a different light. It's the same light, rotates everywhere. So with that, if you want to get some for yourself, visit thetacogarage.com. And if you want more info on the product, visit bonobleproducts.com as well. If you have any questions about the product, by all means, leave them on the comments below. We'll be reading and just answering your questions as much as I can. And that is all we have for today. Consider subscribing if you haven't. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you like the S1 Swivel Mounts, and I will see you in the next one.